technology moves the world forward. In precision manufacturing, a stable, clean environment is the key to quality. For decades, the supply of high-purity nitrogen and oxygen has relied on the same model. Produced remotely, stored centrally, transported over long distances, through fixed pipelines to every tool, supporting the world's most advanced manufacturing. Behind it lies a vast and complex supply network. Across countless components and connections, every link matters. It's essential, but is this the only way? What if high-purity nitrogen and oxygen could be generated right where they're needed? Until now, the Ainos atmosphere engine introduces a new way. Simpler, compact, closer to need. Generated on-site, supplied on demand whenever you need it. Installed at the point of use, built into the process. From one system to an intelligent, facility-wide supply network. Configured by zone, scaled by module, serviced independently, so capacity adapts as needs change. From precision manufacturing to AI data centers and the critical energy infrastructure powering the future. Centralized scale, enhanced by distributed flexibility and control. Together, a more adaptive supply architecture. Unlocking new possibilities for mission-critical infrastructure. Ainos Atmosphere Engine. Redefining environmental infrastructure. The future starts here. Ainos. Environmental intelligence building a better world. Nasdaq AIMD.